In the lands of Yemen, ruled by the proud governor Abraha, a plan was brewing.
He built the greatest cathedral in Arabia, Qulais, hoping to lure pilgrims away from the Kaʿbah in Makkah.
One night, an outsider broke into the cathedral and caused great disrespect, igniting Abraha's fury.
Abraha swore revenge. He would march to Makkah, destroy the Kaʿbah, and prove his power.
Abraha gathered a mighty army, and with him his prized elephant, Mahmud.
He marched across Arabia, unstoppable. Villages trembled as his shadow passed.
Then let the world remember this day. Forward!
If you're enjoying this series, remember to subscribe for more beautifully told Islamic stories.
The chief of Quraysh, Abdul Muttalib, came forward, not with fear, but dignity.
I am the owner of my camels. The house has its own lord, and he will protect it.
I will destroy the Kaʿbah at all cost. Mark my words.
He left the matter to Allah in journey, with complete faith.
Then the impossible happened. Mahmud refused to march toward the sacred house. And then, Allah's army arrived.
Tiny birds, sent by the Lord of the Kaʿbah, carrying stones of hard clay.
These were no ordinary stones, but baked clay from a sigil. Abraha's mighty army crumbled, destroyed by forces they could not see or fight. And Abraha, once a proud ruler, returned to Yemen defeated and broken. Thus Allah protected his house frame, reminding the world that power belongs only to him.
ألم تر كيف فعل ربك بأصحاب الفيل ألم يجعل كيدهم في تضليل وأرسل عليهم طيرا عبابيل ترمهم بحجارة من سجيل فجعلهم كأعصف مأكول.
From this story, we learn that no matter how strong someone looks, the power of Allah is greater than all.
And when we face challenges, we remember this miracle and place our full trust in Allah. We learn that victory does not come from armies or weapons, but from the help of Allah alone.